Meaning of distaff.
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 Distaff. Distaff refers to a tool used in spinning wool or flax. The word comes from the Old English word distaff, where dis means female and staff means staff. The distaff was traditionally held in the left hand while a spindle for twisting fibers was held in the right. Women were primarily responsible for spinning yarn using the distaff, which played an important role in the textile industry during earlier times. Today, the term distaff is often used figuratively to refer to women or femininity as they were historically responsible for this task.